Wild nights in Munich. Rainy nights, bicyclists can't ride. Everyone knows this. Look at those leaves. Carnage is what's going to happen here. They forced people on bikes, and now poor women and young girls need to ride bikes in these dangerous, arduous conditions. Moms need to cart their children around, freezing. And watch this. Bicyclists terrorizing this poor little car. Just terrorizing it in the rain. He needs to stop because of these bullying bicyclists. And then away they go with nary a thought of the poor car. This happens everywhere. Everywhere the anti-car zealots take over. Don't let this happen